Welcome to the world of seamless data integration with 𝗶𝗶𝗧 solution. In this video, we are thrilled to introduce our time series dataset cleaning feature. For the purpose of the video, we will be using a time series project that aims to forecast the hourly demand of transportation services in New York. We will cover 3 of the time series cleaning features that the platform offers. Firstly, the resampling feature involves changing the frequency of the data by either increasing or decreasing the number of observations within a given time period. This process is done to address specific needs in the data analysis. In our case, for example, we will resample our dataset with a frequency of 1 hour to gather the sum of demand made in 1 hour. Secondly, the feature extraction tool covers the inclusion of features such as day, hour, and month. These features allow the model to capture seasonality and periodic patterns, which are common in many time-dependent datasets. Lastly, lag feature extraction is crucial in time series models, as it captures the dependence of current observations on past observations. By including lagged variables, we can account for temporal dependencies, such as autocorrelation and seasonality, resulting in more accurate predictions. These additional features provide valuable insights into the underlying patterns and help enhance the accuracy and effectiveness of the model's forecasting and analysis capabilities.